What's up, family? Welcome back to Truthville, USA. I am Q. So I've been analyzing this story that came out yesterday. NBC is touting it as a major win for Jack Smith. And the more and more I look at it, the more I realize this is propaganda. This is not in any way a good look for Jack Smith. Now, they're trying to sell it as though Judge Chutkan, who's out of D.C., who was originally handling the January 6th case against Donald Trump. That case was the strongest case for dumping as a result of the Supreme Court decision on immunity. So really and truly, this is grasping at straws. It's only a matter of time before this case is thrown out. The Supreme Court did not want to make a decision on that. They felt as though they had offered enough guidance, and so they kicked it back down to Judge Chutkan's court. Now, she originally came out and wanted to get this thing moving and put a August 9th deadline on Jack Smith and said, hey, she needed the reports back for how the prosecution was moving forward. By the 9th, she wanted to have a status conference on the 16th. Jack Smith immediately started crying, saying that was not enough time, that they needed more time to analyze the Supreme Court's ruling, and she granted him the time. She gave him until the 30th of August to get together his to put together his plan, and then moved the meeting to the 6th of September for the status conference. But guys, I don't care how much the media is trying to paint this as some sort of victory. The fact that Jack Smith has been dealing with this case for what? A year and a half, and he has no idea how they're going to move forward, that he can't present a case, his case is not ready to move forward, lets you know that the Supreme Court completely torpedoed his case, and now he's scrambling to find another way to go back at Donald Trump. Now, this case is a mess because we do know that they used Donald Trump's attorney to turn state's evidence against him. All of that is going to be thrown out. They used it for the grand jury indictment. All that's going to be thrown out. The evidence that they collected from Donald Trump unconstitutionally, all going to be thrown out. And so, like I said, this is just an effort by them to keep Trump busy doing something else rather than running his campaign. This is campaign interference at its very, very finest, but it's not going to work. The Americans can see through this because they understand that Trump had immunity, period. He didn't do anything wrong, but even if he did, he had immunity. Bring out the tweets peacefully, patriotically. Go home. This is not how we settle things. We're a peaceful people. We are a law-abiding people. None of that sounds like insurrection talk. And if they truly had an insurrection case, they would charge him with insurrection, which they have not. So this entire January 6th case is a mess, and Jack Smith just admitted he has no case against Donald Trump. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you getting the same thing I am? The fact that this guy cannot bring his case forward after a year, almost a year and a half? Comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Be blessed.